Greetings, 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 and good morning, good people. This is reading number 9 in the series of readings from the Jamaican New Testament in honor of my mom, Hyacinth Richards. So welcome, sit back. It's going to be a short reading today. We are now going through the story of the birth of Jesus. And this was my mom's favorite season. I am sure of it. She really enjoyed this time of year. And I'm sure that's the same for many of you. If you are watching on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe so that you will be notified whenever there is a new reading or a new post on my YouTube channel. If you're watching on Facebook, well, feel free to share it with a friend, whether Facebook or YouTube. I've been getting some good responses from people who have been sharing it and blessing other people with these readings. So today we are in the book of Matthew, still as we were yesterday, and it's Matthew chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 12. Now, as you know, I'll be reading from the Jamaican New Testament. And in order for you to follow along and have a common experience of hearing God talk to you, then feel free to follow along in a version or even a language that speaks more clearly to your heart than the Jamaican language does. But if Jamaican language are your language, then just listen as me read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 2 from verse 1 to verse 12. Jesus did born in a Bethlehem, one town in a Judea. Them time there, a Herod did a king in a Judea. Now, in a them same time there, some wise man from the east side did come to Jerusalem and I asked, where the picnic there we born the other day? We for count on king for the Jew people them. We see him star in at the east, we show same born, and we come for show him enough respect. Now, when King Herod heard this year, this bada him head, and it bada whole heap of people in Jerusalem too. Herod call everybody together in a one meeting. All of the head priests and the man them will teach Moses' law. And he asked them, which part the Christ, the king where God promised for born? Them answer say, in a Bethlehem, because of that the prophet did write down. And you, Bethlehem, where in a Judea, when you look at all the other town them where lead, you know what no less than them. You up there amongst the top town them. Because from out of you, one leader I go come. We are going to protect and lead my people them. We're in Israel. Then Herod sent call the wise man them for come check him under the quiet and find out from them at what time them did see the star. Him send them go Bethlehem and say, go and go look for the picnic. Look good. And when you find him, come tell me so me can go show him enough respect too. After them don't listen to the king, then left go away. As them go about them business so, not the said star when they did see in at the east side come back again. It galang in front of them till they reach which part the picnic did there. And over there so it up. When them did see the star again, them glad bag boss. Then come in at the house and see the picnic with the Mother Mary and them go down upon them knee and praise him. Them take out the present where then they bring and give the picnic gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Now, true God did don't want them off and tell them in a one dream. So they no fi go back at Herod. Then take one another way, go back at their country. A God would this. Thank God. I'm looking at the screen and it's upside down, but I am good. I am not reading upside down, not so skilled and talented. So good to have had you join us this morning, and look out for the follow up of what is going to happen next in the birth of Jesus. Reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Have a wonderful day. What good and one love.